All right, here we are in Adobe Illustrator, and I'm going to show you how to distribute these across the whole page. It's actually called the Artboard. So we're going to go up here to Window, and we're going to pull down to Align. You might also see some of the Align tools if you have your control bar open, which this is called the control bar. And yeah, we're gonna be using some of these too. So and the control bar is right here in case you need to see it control. But we're just stick to the Align palette for now. So we're going to I'm going to grab all of these and we go, you see a line here, a line 2, Artboard selection and key object. So we're going to align to Artboard, but we're going to use distribute because if you can align to Artboard and hit center, it's going to put them all in the middle of the Artboard. But if we hit distribute horizontally, then it's going to send them all out evenly there, and then we can to the Artboard, then we can hit align to center. So now they're distributed evenly. So if we got rid of one and then we selected them all, do it again, distribute. So we have to make sure that this is on aligned to Artboard. Even though it's distribute, we're still going to do it. It's in the align palette. And you can do the same thing. You just grab these three, and we're on that Artboard and distribute that way, and then align them that way. There we go. Align them to the right. Now you can add another one in there, and then grab them all, align, distribute. Right. If you weren't on there, then on Artboard, then it won't do that. It'll just it can distribute them, but not to the page. I'll show you real quick just to clarify what I'm talking about. Oops. Let me go to Object, Straight, and Distribute. So it didn't do it to the page. If I hit this, it's going to put them all the way across. See that? And Key Object, that's one more thing. That's not really for distribution, but if you select two things and click once and hit Align, it just takes it to that object itself. So that's it. Hopefully that helped. If it did, hit like, leave me a comment. Thanks.